What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we got a special one for you guys. I am going to be doing a stock analysis on Virgin Galactic Incorporation. Now, this one is a kind of, I would consider it a growth play, and it's maybe a buy the dip play, or is it a run away and stay away kind of play? This stock has gotten beaten down like a dirty whore. And I am going to go over exactly what I think. If I think you guys should buy more and take advantage of this current dip, or if you guys should just stay away from it and maybe sell your position or just get out of the position totally and not get into it. But with that being said, let's get started. So before we hop right into this video, if you guys can, just please make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel, and I really do appreciate it. Also, if you want to join the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I post here at least 2 times per week, and I will be pumping out a ton of content every single week, just like videos like this one. So if you guys are ready for it and want to learn more about different stocks and different swing trades, then make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I welcome anyone who does, and I appreciate anyone who has in the past. But let's hop right into this video and go over Virgin Galactic Inc. So what is Virgin Galactic? Virgin Galactic's ticker symbol is SPCE, and they are an aerospace and travel company which engages in the manufacture of advanced air and space vehicles and provision of space flight services for private individuals and researchers. It designs spaceships which can fly anyone to space safely without the need for expertise or exhaustive time-consuming training. The company was founded on May 5th, 2017 and is headquartered in Las Cruces, New Mexico. The listed name for SPCE is Virgin Galactic Holdings Incorporation. So now this stock is currently trading at $20.01 at the time I am making this video. It is down a whopping 17% in the last trading period, and over the past month it is down about 16.5%. So on the 1 year chart it is down about 7.5%. So this could be a very good buying opportunity, and we're going to go over whether I think we should buy this current dip, if this is just an overreaction play in the stock market, why it had this kind of reaction in the stock market, what news came out for this reaction to occur, and we are going to hop into that right now, right after we get past the financials of the company. So obviously this is a fairly new company, so we don't really have too many revenue numbers to go off of, or numbers in general about the company to go off of, but it is a $6.19 billion market cap right now at the current price point. It has a price to book ratio of 10.83. It has revenue of about $571 million, with revenue growth in the negative 64th percentile. They do have free cash flow of a negative $136.48 million. So looking at these numbers are horrific. But like I said, this is a new company. This is a very expensive company. They do need to pay a lot for them to travel up into space, and for anyone to travel up into space, and for research and whatnot. So the revenue, still being a fairly new company, is not really worrisome to me. I don't think you're buying into the company for their revenue at these current prices. I think you're buying into the company for the potential in the future of their potential revenue, or just the company as itself just going into space and being one of, if not the only public company that sends people into space. But so these numbers really don't affect me so much, so they're not really going to go against my opinion on whether we should be buying this dip or putting this one away and just forgetting about it. But I did just want to go over them And now we're going to hop into exactly why I think and why this stock has fallen about 16.5% in the last trading period. So the reason behind why Virgin Galactic stock dropped so much is because it said on October 14th that it would delay the start of commercial flights until the fourth quarter of 2022 as it starts its lengthy enhancement and refurbish program. Now they did push it back from Q3 of 2022, but originally it was pushed back from early 2022. So as you can tell, it keeps getting pushed back, but I don't think this one is really too much to worry about. In my opinion, I think pushing it back a quarter or so just so they can make sure everything is right before they start commercial flights, I think that is really just a smart thing to do as a company, and I don't understand why people would just drop the stock because of this. They just obviously want to make sure that their passengers are safe and that everything is going to be underway on schedule and safely as possible. So Virgin Galactic reported a loss of 39 cents per share in quarter two, more than the 33 cents per share loss analysts expected. Revenue rose to $571,000, beating expectations. The company has not yet started commercial service, but founder Richard Branson's flight in July carried revenue generating scientific research experiments. The company is expected to report Q3 results on November 8th. So, like I said, I don't think this is really a reason to drop the stock. If anything, my opinion is buy more at these current prices. This company, if you believe in the company, I believe it has the potential to be a very huge player, and it could go from a $6 billion market cap is what it's sitting at now to potentially $100 billion, $500 billion, $1 trillion market cap. Who knows how big this company can get? They are introducing space travel to the world. Now, obviously, there's Tesla's SpaceX, or Elon Musk's SpaceX, and Jeff Bezos's company, whatever he calls that. There are other options, but I do think that this company, being the only one publicly traded at the current moment, is a great buy at these prices for the long term. Now, if we're talking short term, if you want to do some kind of a swing trade, personally, I would wait until we get some confirmation that it is going to go back up. Every reaction in the stock market is an overreaction. That's what the stock market is. It's just playing off of the emotions of everyone else. But I definitely would wait for some confirmation to make sure that this stock is going to be recovering. I do think we will see a good recovery very quickly. I don't see it being beaten down like this for that much longer, but I would like to, before I start a swing trade, I would like to see some kind of confirmation on that play before we start some kind of short-term position. But personally, if you guys are interested in the company, I think this is the perfect opportunity to add long-term, and that is what I will be doing. I will be adding this company to my growth portfolio for a little while, not too long. So every week I add $100 into my growth portfolio. So I will be adding a couple of dollars into this one just for the long term. Now I'm going to be holding, most likely, unless fundamentals change, everything in my long-term growth portfolio, I will be holding for years on years, 20, 30, 40 years. So these small fluctuations, I am just going to take as buying opportunities because I do think it just creates an opportunity to get in at a lower price in companies that we already believe in and we already know are great, or we think are going to be great in the future. But that is my take on it. Please let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys can, just drop that in the comment section below. I really want to get your take on it. But also, if you guys did enjoy the video or take anything from it, just please make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Also, check the description for any links on some discounts on stuff and some free stuff down there. It supports the channel. Anyone who does that, I really appreciate you. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We post videos just like this one at least 2 times per week. Sometimes we'll go over some swing trading, we'll go over day trading, we'll go over at long-term investing, dividend stocks. We pretty much do it all on this channel. So if any of that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are growing here every single day, and I appreciate you all. I will see you in the next video. Peace.